This literature kit on the Westing game by Ellen Raskin offers activities meant to excite students throughout the reading. 55 pages chock full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Using the chapter titles as clues, predict what might happen in each one. Identify elements of foreshadowing from the novel and imagine what will take place. Identify cause and effect by explaining why each event happened. Keep track of the variety of characters with comprehension questions. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as having students write their own prologue and epilogue at the completion of the reading. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Compare 2 different characters' perspectives of the same event from the novel. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.